A.
A.
It's A. B. It's B.
B.
Wow.
Wow.
C. See, it's C.
C.
Try again. C. It's D.
D.
Okay. Standing line and 3 sleeping lines. Accordingly, it's E.
E.
F.
F.
It's G.
G.
Very good. H.
H.
Try again. Yes. It's I.
I.
Wow.
So beautiful.
It's J.
J.
J is for Jack, isn't it?
Yes.
It's K.
K.
L.
L.
L is for lion, remember? Lamb.
Yes.
Try again.
Yes.
L. Now it's called?
M.
Very nice. It's M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nose.
Yes.
Try again. N is for nose. O.
O.
O is for owl, right?
Yes.
Ox, orange. P.
P.
Yes, it's P.
P is for parrot.
Yes. Now it's time to dress Q.
Q.
R.
R.
R is for rabbit, right?
Yes.
S.
S.
S is for sunflower.
Snake.
Snake. Right. There is T.
T.
Here comes U.
U.
U is for umbrella.
Yes.
Unicorn.
Unicorn.
V.
V is for violet.
Yes. And violin. W.
W is for watch.
Very nice. X.
X is for xylophone.
Yes. X is for xylophone. Y.
Y is for yak.
Ah, yes. Yo-yo also. Z is for
Zip.
zip and zebra.
Yes.
Right. Try again. Zebra. Z. So practice more and more.